So guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making this cool helicopter which is very easy to make and it looks super good. So let's get building. Guys, these are the pieces which you need to make the helicopter. This time we'll be making the video a different way. First we'll make all the major parts by using these all pieces and making some parts, then we'll join them to make the helicopter. So first you need to take these pieces and join them like this. Then you have to take these pieces and join them like this. Then you have to take these pieces and take these both pieces and put it at the back, just like this. Sorry, the opposite way, like this. Then you guys have to take this piece over here and put it on top of this red square one. Then you have to join these four pieces on this one, just like this. Then you have to take these both pieces and attach it at the back, just like this. Now you have to take these pieces. So first you have to take these three pieces and join them just like this. Then you have to take this one, attach it on the top like this. Then take the front and take these pieces, these ones, and attach it on this thing just like this. Then you have to take these pieces and join them. You have to take this piece and put it over here like this. Then you have to take this piece and the four flat these ones, and then attach it on the top like this. Now you need to take all of the parts that you made and join them. So first you have to take this one and put it at the back of this, like this. Then you have to take this piece and put it at the back, and just like this. You're almost complete. Now to put this one at the front, just like this. Now you have to take this one and with the help of these both pieces, put them on top of it, just like this. Then you have to take these both and put them at the bottom, and your helicopter is now ready, which can move from this like this, and then at the back also it can move. So